Welcome to ACCA Note. Produced by Qudsiya Akbar. Today's topic is assets. What is an asset? Essentially, an asset is any resource with financial value that is controlled by a company. There is a broad range of assets that a company may own, create, or benefit from, including real estate, cash, office equipment, goodwill, investments, patents, inventory, and so on. Type of assets. Assets are generally referred into 6 different categories: current assets, fixed assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, operating assets, and non-operating assets. Your assets can belong to multiple categories. For example, a building is an example of a fixed and tangible asset. It's important to make sure that all assets are properly classified. The correct classification of fixed assets in accounting can help to properly measure companies' net working capital. Whereas understanding the difference between tangible and intangible assets is an important element of assessing risk and solvency. Current assets. Current assets are assets that can be converted to cash or cash equivalents within the time period of 1 year. They are also referred to as liquid assets and define the condition of liquidity in your business. Here are some examples of current assets. Cash and cash equivalents. Accounts receivable. Marketable securities. Inventory. Short-term investments. Fixed assets. Fixed assets cannot be converted to cash or cash equivalents within the time period of 1 year. They are also referred to as non-current assets or long-term assets. Here are some examples of fixed assets. Buildings or land. Patents. Equipment, tools, and machinery. Furniture. Long-term investments. Tangible assets. Tangible assets are assets with some kind of physical presence. For example, buildings, cash, office supplies, vehicles, equipment, tools, and machinery. Operating assets. Operating assets are assets that enable your business to generate revenue via the core business operations. Examples: equipment, tools, and machinery. Cash, patents, inventory. Non-operating assets. Non-operating assets are assets that do not help your business generate revenue via core business operations but may still help you generate income in other ways. Examples: unused land, marketable securities, unallocated cash, short-term investments, spare equipment. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.